going on, folks? I was out there helping a guy work on his vehicle a couple days ago, and it's like the job I was doing for him was pretty simple. So I kind of was talking to him like, what made you not think to try to do this for yourself? And of course what he said is because he doesn't really have the confidence to do it, as well as he doesn't have any tools to do it. So I realized that with a lot of different people may not try to work on stuff because they don't have the right tools or any tools at all to even attempt to do the job. So what I realized is that since the Christmas holiday season is coming up, that a great gift that you could get from somebody that can help them actually to gain confidence as well as start trying to fix stuff on their own or repair things would be tools. So I thought about the different tools that I had, and I know right here is some of the best tools that I would say that I have, which is these Milwaukee, my Impact, as well as my drill. So I would say that just getting somebody a set of an Impact as well as a drill set can come in handy. And also what you'll find is that they will be able to do multiple different jobs with these two things right here. For example, I use these all the time when I'm taking off lug nuts off of wheels, if I'm about to change out some brakes or just do any type of a work on a vehicle. I find myself using these tools right here, as well as with your drill, which comes in handy for, multiple different jobs. Whether or not you want to put drill bits inside of it and drill through some wood, or you're putting some screws into something, that makes it such a much easier job if you have the correct tools. So like I said, with the holiday season coming up, it's a perfect time for you to get that person in your life some tools. Yeah, I feel like there's a whole lot of different tools that you can get, but what I want to talk about now is these Milwaukee, this set right here. Like I said before, it's an Impact as well as a drill. So these two tools right here can be a jumping point for all type of different type of projects that somebody may attempt, as well as their introduction into using power tools. Like I said, these are battery controlled pretty much to where therefore you can pretty much take it wherever you want to. You don't have to worry about them being plugged up. But I just wanted to make this video because I realized how many people may not attempt to do their own work or attempt to repair stuff or to fix stuff because they don't have the right tools. And like I said, since we are coming up on the Christmas season, this would be the perfect time for you get somebody a set, Impact wrench as well as a drill. And like I said, the Milwaukee, these right here, they feel really good in your hand. They feel nice and solid, as well as when I use these, I don't feel a lot of vibration with them. I don't feel a whole lot of vibration with these tools when I'm using. Sometimes you can get certain Impact wrenches, and when you're using them, it has a really hard vibration in your hand. So these have a much smoother feel when you're actually using them. So I want to make this video once again for you all that may be looking to buy some type of a gift or something like that for somebody in your family, to might want to check out an Impact as well as a drill from Milwaukee Tools, which makes great tools. Alright folks, make sure that you're checking out our videos. We have over 600 videos up that we have helping to repair everything from car repair to home repair to teaching you how to diagnose problems with your furnace as well as with your refrigerators, just across the board. I love to see the comments that we get from people on the videos that we make, and also those comments help us to think about what videos that we may make next, as well as how we can improve on some of our older videos. Alright folks, once again, please check out our helpful videos. Please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks.